If your iPhone is acting up, maybe Wi-Fi is not connecting, Bluetooth won't pair, or settings just seem messy, a reset might be the quick fix you need. In this guide, I will walk you through every iPhone reset option, what it does, and when should you use it. Start by opening your Settings app. Now scroll down and navigate to the option General. Scroll all the way down and click on the option Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now click on the option Reset. Here you're gonna find all the reset options. Reset location and privacy. This resets location sharing and privacy permissions. Apps will need to ask again before tracking your location or accessing private data. Reset home screen layout. Brings your home screen back to the default layout, exactly how it looked when you first took your iPhone out of box. Reset handwriting style. If you have trained handwriting input, this option lets you reset and retrain it. Reset keyboard dictionary. Clears custom words, names, and shortcuts you have taught your keyboard. Great if autocorrect is misbehaving. Delete all eSIMs. Removes all electronic SIM cards from your iPhone. Only use this if you have planned to set up new eSIMs from your carrier. You'll need their QR code to reconnect. Reset network settings. Resets Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, VPN, and cellular settings. Perfect for fixing connectivity issues, but you'll need to re-enter Wi-Fi passwords and repair Bluetooth devices. Reset all settings. The most complete reset. Restores every setting to factory defaults without deleting your apps, photos, or data. It will remove Apple Pay cards, keys, and passes, so be ready to set up those again. Use this as a last resort before wiping your phone entirely. And that's every iPhone reset option explained. Choose the one that fits your problem, from small fixes like resetting Wi-Fi to a full settings reset if nothing else works. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.